Hello students, in previous video we have started brain teasers of unit 6 and we have already done question number 1 in which we have to take the correct answers or option. And now today we will discuss the remaining parts. Question number 2 is find the sum or difference of the following numbers. So you know that how to add and subtract the decimal numbers. So you can do it yourself. The only thing you have to keep it in mind is arrange these decimal numbers in column properly. That means let us take the second example. Here the question is 200 B part 200.8 minus 178.865, right? Now what you have to do here, decimal should come under decimal, and here these are not like decimals. So first of all we have to make them like. How? By writing 2 zeros. Now it becomes very easy to subtract now. So this you have to keep it in mind, that make the decimal numbers like decimals, right? And then you can subtract. And in such cases where the whole number is given, decimal number is not given, what you will do? In such cases, I will arrange this also in column C part. In such cases, 43. So here decimal is not given, but we know that in whole numbers, decimal is also there. Where? After the last ones place. So how we can write? 43 point, and how many decimal digits are there? 3. So we'll write 3 zeros and then subtract 28.625. so this is very important to understand, that how to arrange these decimal numbers in column. 43 is a whole number. In next case also 85 is a whole number. Then how to write in decimal form? So we will write 85 point, then maximum number of decimal digits are 3, so 0.000, right? So you must know how to write the whole numbers as decimals. So in this way you can write. Now the third question. So try to do it these 4 parts yourself. Now the question number 3. The sum of two decimal numbers is 0.9, and if one of them is 0.675, find the other. So two decimal numbers का sum जो है वो 0.9. Here the sum is given, right? Sum is given 0.9, and out of the two numbers, one number is given. So how can we solve this question? Let us try to understand first what we have to do. Suppose 5 or 7 plus. I am not writing the second number, and the sum is given 15, right? So you have to find out the second number. How can you find out? So 7 plus dash is equal to 15. So in such cases what you have to do, जो sum है उसमें से आप जो कोई भी one number जो आपको given है वो उसको minus करेंगे, then you will get the second number. So it is quite easy. Subtract it. Total में से आप one number को आप minus करेंगे, you will get the other one. So 15 minus 7 is 8. So 8 is the other number. Now you can check. 7 plus 8 is 15. So that means what we have to do, we have to subtract the sum and the one number. So let us try to solve this question. So solution number 3, and this is of brain teasers. So here the sum of two number is given. Sum of two numbers, that is 0.9, and one of them is So one number is given, that is 0.675. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract, as we have done in this case. So we have to subtract it to find the second number. Therefore the second number is equal to, so what we will do, how can we subtract? What we have to do first, we have to make them like. How? By writing two zeros. Now we can subtract it easily. 0 is smaller, so we will borrow. It will become 9, and here what will left is 8. Now subtract it. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 minus 6 is again 2, 0. So this is the second number. So therefore the second number is, find the other number. Therefore the other number is, the other or the second other number is 0.225. Now the fourth one, a tower is painted in red, white and black. So tower 3 colors से painted है. If 25.5 is painted in red, 15.75 meter in black and 10.25 in white, find the height of the tower. So this type of question I think we have already done or discussed. Here the height of the tower is given and we have to find out the height of the tower. So let this is be the tower, right? So here we have painted red. Let it be the red color. So it is 25.5 meter. Then 15.75 meter is black. 15.75 meter is black. So let it be the black color, 15.75. And then remaining portion, this is white in color, that is 10.25. Now you have to find out the height of the tower. So how can you find out? 3 colors दिए हैं और आपको almost पूरा जो tower है वो cover हो रहा है इन paint से. So what you have to do, you have to add these 3 lengths जो कि different colors में painted हुई है. You will get the height of the tower then. So this is very easy question. First of all, write the tower painted in red, then painted in black, then painted in white, then the height of the tower. Add all these 3 lengths, you will get the height of the tower. So this is very easy. Again, try to do this yourself. You have to add, just add in this question. Now the fifth one, the sum of 3 decimal numbers is 95.3. 3 decimal numbers का sum दिया है. In question number 3rd, the sum of 2 decimal numbers are given. Sum of 2 decimal numbers are given, but in this case, the sum of 3 decimal numbers are given. If 2 decimal numbers are 43.82 and 26.058 respectively, find the third number. तो हमें third number find करना है. So let us try to understand again in same way जैसे हमने ऊपर डिस्कस किया था. So let us take one more example. जैसे इसमें हमने लिए थे 2 numbers का sum. Now we will take the sum of 3 numbers. Suppose यही ले लेते हैं 7 plus 8 plus dash is equal to 20, right? इनका sum कितना है? 20 है. And we have to find this third number. How can we find out? कैसे हम इस third number को find करेंगे? So what we have to do is, हमें इस question को इस form में बनाते हैं हम पहले, right? इस question को इस form में बनाएंगे तो ये easy हो जाएगा. जैसे हमने ऊपर question solve किया था वैसे ही बन जाएगा ये, right? जैसे हमने third question solve किया था उसमें आपको 2 numbers का sum given था. यहाँ पर आपको 3 numbers का given है sum. हम क्या करते हैं, इन दोनों को ऐड कर देते हैं तो क्या बन जाएगा हमारे पास, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd के जैसा बन जाएगा. 7 plus 8 is 15 plus box is equal to 20. So इन दोनों को ऐड कर दिए तो हमारे पास क्या बन गया 15 plus dash is equal to 20. Now it becomes easy to find the this number, third number. What we have to do, क्या किया था हमने थर्ड क्वेश्चन में, जो हमारे पास सम था उसमें से हमने वन नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया था, राइट. सो इन दिस केस ऑल्सो वी विल डू द सेम थिंग. 20 में से 15 माइनस करेंगे, 20 माइनस 15 करेंगे, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट इज 5. सो यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा हमारा 5 आंसर, बॉक्स में आ जाएगा हमारे पास 5 is equal to 20. So this is the answer. So what we have to do, first of all we have to add the two given numbers and then we have to subtract it from the sum. I think it is clear to you. अगर 3 numbers का sum दिया है, 2 आपको given है, 1 आपको निकालना है, but you have to do first of all add the given numbers और जो उनका sum आता है उसको आप फिर 20 में से माइनस कर देंगे, जो भी आपका सम है उसमें से माइनस करेंगे. सो लेट अस सॉल्व दिस नेक्स्ट वन. सॉल्यूशन नंबर 5. Here the sum of 3 decimal numbers are given. Sum of 3 decimal numbers. 3 decimal numbers is 95.3. Now one number and the second number. First number is equal to how much? 42.82. Sorry, 43.82. And the second number is 26.058. 26.058. So what I have told you here, what you have to do is first of all you have to add these two numbers. So add करेंगे पहले हम इन दोनों को. So what we will get, 8 plus 0 8, 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 0 is 8 again, 6 plus 3 9, 4 plus 2 is 6. So 69.872. Therefore third number. Now how can we find the third number? I have told you, जो हमको सम दिया है सम में से आपने ये इसको माइनस करना है. ये 3 नंबर्स का सम दिया है जो आपको, ये माइनस 95.3 minus 69.878. Now subtract it. So how can we subtract? इसको हमें पहले like decimals बनाएंगे zeros लगा के. Now subtract it. 10, 9, 2, then we will again borrow. It will become 12. What will left over here is 4. Again it is smaller, so we will borrow again. What will left over here is 8. Subtract it now. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 7 2. 12 minus 8 4. Decimal comes under decimal. 14 minus 9 is 5 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So 25.422 is the correct answer. So therefore third number, therefore the third number is 25.422. If you want to check it, how can you check? हम इन तीनों नंबर्स को ऐड करके देखते हैं. तो ये जस्ट हमें चेक करना है. अगर आपने कभी इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन, तो कैसे आप चेक करेंगे? इनको ऐड कर लीजिए. इन दोनों का सम कितना आया था? 69.878 और इसमें थर्ड नंबर को भी प्लस कर लीजिए 25.422. लेट अस सी व्हाट इज द आंसर. 8 plus 2 is 10. 7 8 9 10 again. 8 12 plus 1 13. 1 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15. 6 7 8 9. So what is the sum is 95.300. So 00 इसकी वैल्यू नहीं है. You can see here 95.3 सेम है हमारा आंसर 3 numbers को प्लस करके. So our answer is correct. So in this way you can also check it. And this is also same. जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 किया था वैसे ही हमारा ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है. इन दिस ऑल्सो हेयर इट इज अ मैजिक स्क्वायर और इसमें कहीं भी आप ऐड करेंगे तो आपका सम कितना होगा? 4.5. चाहे आप लेफ्ट टू राइट ऐड करें या टॉप से बॉटम में ऐड करेंगे, आपका सम सेम आएगा। सो इनको ऐड करेंगे, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 4.5। सो दैट मीन्स हमें टोटल सम इज गिवन, जैसे हमें यहाँ दिया था, एंड 2 नंबर्स आर गिवन हियर, 2 नंबर्स यहाँ पे दिए हैं। सो इन दिस वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट। इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे पहले हम। सो इनका सम कितना होता है 7 and 2, राइट। अब क्या करेंगे हम, टोटल में से इसको माइनस कर देंगे, जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में किया था, इट इज सेम। सो इन दोनों को प्लस करके जो हमारा 3 नंबर्स का सम है 4.5, 4.5 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 2.7। सो सब्ट्रैक्ट इट, smaller 15 and 3, so what is left is 1.8. so what will come here is 1.8. similarly here 2.6, इनका सम कितना है 2.6, इसको आप माइनस करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा आपका, आपका सेम हो जाएगा 4.5 में से 2.6 आप माइनस करेंगे, यहाँ पर 15 अगेन एंड 3, so 15 minus 6 is 9 and 1.9, so what will left 1.9. similarly इन ये जो 2 नंबर्स हैं इनको निकालने के लिए what you will do, इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे और 4.5 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो ये मिल जाएगा। इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, 4.5 में सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, you will get this one. so in this way you can solve this magic square. so in next video we will start unit number 7, that is multiplication and division of decimal numbers. Thank you.